Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 2 DIY welcome boards. This was actually requested by one of our subscriber, so I'm very happy to share with you guys. Let's start. So for the first DIY, we'll need a round cardboard and a round corrugated sheet like this, and I have cut some strips of corrugated sheets. I am going to stick the strips of corrugated sheets on the sides of the cardboard like this. So now I am going to stick the round shaped corrugated sheet above this cardboard. Just writing welcome on a cardboard, and I am going to cut it with the help of paper cutter. Now let's paint the cardboard. I am using here acrylic colors. I am using here brown color. So now I am taking a brochure which I had, but you can even use a magazine. So I am just making a spiral shape like this, which I am going to cut with the help of scissors. So once cut, I am just going to apply some Fevicol and I am just going to roll it like this. And our beautiful flower is ready. Now I am going to take our flowers and I am not going to completely paint them in gold. I am just spraying little amount of gold spray paint. And then I am going to stick the flowers to our welcome board. Now I cut brochure in the shape of leaf and I'm just going to paint it in green and I'm going to paste it here. Just adding some colors to the base. You can use any colors of your choice. I am using here red, orange, white, yellow and little amount of gold as well. Now I am going to use this liquid embroidery to write on welcome, and also I am going to draw some veins on the leaves. So to hang this, I am just going to attach this twine with the help of Fevibond. That completes our first DIY. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. For the second DIY, I am going to take some 3 strips of cardboards like this, which I am going to cover with the help of pattern papers. The link to the pattern papers will be in the description box. So after that is completed, I am using here little pink color for the border. Then I am going to write here. I am using a permanent marker. So we are going to repeat the same steps for the second strip and third strip. I am just going to use different color of pattern paper and different color for the border. After all the 3 cardboard strips are ready, this is how it looks. I have just made some 4 holes on each cardboard as shown. Now I am going to attach a twine to hang these. Repeat the same step on the other side. So that completes our second DIY. Do let me know what you guys think about this DIY in the comment section below. I hope you guys would have liked today's video. If you guys liked it, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos, and do share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also on that ting 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 bell icon. Only then you'll get notification of all my future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off.